everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. Today we will create a Halloween inspired spooky night image in Adobe Express, and we will do it from scratch. So guys, let's rock and roll. I have opened Adobe Express, and what I would like to do, I would like to create my spooky night post for Instagram. To do so, I will click on Instagram square post just like that, and look at this. Express created an empty canvas with Instagram post size. Next step will be, I will click on this elements icon, and from here I will scroll it to the right and I will click on shapes. Here guys, you can see all shapes, all libraries with different shapes. What I will do, I will scroll it up, all libraries up, and at the bottom you can see all shapes. I will expand this library by clicking on view all. Here I have the shape I would like to start with. I will scroll this beautiful library up just like that, a little bit more, and here is my first shape. I will click on it, and just like that, Express added it to my canvas. If I will click on it, I will see all those four anchors. Dragging any of those anchors outside, I will increase the size of my shape just like that, and I will reposition it somewhere more to the right point, to the right size of my document. Next step will be, I would like to create a roof for the house. To do so, I will close this shape. I will scroll my library down, and here we have this beautiful simple rectangle shape. I will click on it, and voila, this shape in my document. I will click on it. On the left side of the screen, you see all workspace with all tools necessary to adjust our shape. I will click on fill, and I will change color to black, just like that. Next step will be, I will reshape my shape, make it a little bit bigger and thinner, and I will rotate it just like that. After that, I will position this shape on top of the house. Yes, and here we have our roof. Voila! Right away, Express is asking me, do you want to duplicate this shape? Yes, I want. I will click on it, and I will rotate my duplicated shape. And yes, guys, you are right. I will position it on the another side of my building, my house, and also I will a little bit increase size of it. And just like that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Next step will be, I will select all my three shapes, and here we have group icon. You can group your shape from here, right, directly from the canvas, or on the left side of your screen you see same icon. It's up to you. Now I have a house with this beautiful roof. Now I would like to add a chimney to my house. To do so, I will close this group, and I will click on the same shape. If you like, you can click on any other shape. It's up to you. A rectangle shape. So let's use this shape just to show you that you can use different shapes. I will click on this shape, and yes, guys, I will change color to the black, and I will make it thinner, and I will position it on the right side of my roof. Now this shape position up front of my house. What I would like to do, I would like to rearrange it to be behind my house. If you will look to the right side of your screen, side of your screen, you see that this is our chimney shape layer. I will click on it, and I will drag it behind the house, just like that. Look at this. This is our part of the chimney. Next step will be, I will close this rectangle shape, and I will click on another shape. Yes, guys, you're right. I will change color of it to black. I will scale size down of this shape, and I will position it on top of our chimney. Voila! This is our house. Let's group everything together just to prevent unwanted notifications. Now we have this very spooky house. What we need to do, we need to bring a little bit more life to this house. To do so, we will add a door and we will add windows. Let's scroll same all shapes library up, and at the bottom, guys, you see this beautiful shape like a door. Click on it. This shape comes with a black fill and a white border. What I would like to do, I would like to change color of the border. I will click on border icon. I will expand more colors library, and here we have this beautiful color. You can use any color you like. I will scale size down of this shape, and I will position it in the middle, just like that. This is our house door. Guys, look at this. Next step will be, we need to add windows. To add windows, guys, you can use the same shape or you can use any other shape. I will click on this shape, and we have base of our window. I will move this window outside of my house, and I will zoom in my document to 100% just to preview the window closely. And I will change fill for my window shape to same color we used for our doors border, just like that. Next step will be, I will close the shape, and I need to find a thin line to make this window more like a window. To do so, I will scroll my library down just like that, and here we have this simple line shape. I will click on it and I will position it on top of my window. Also, I need to change color. Yes, I will change color to the black, and I will reposition this shape just like that. If I need, I will scale size down. Look at this. We are not done with this window. Next step will be, I will highlight, will select this line, and I will click on duplicate. I will rotate duplicated line to 90 degrees, and I will position it just like that. Look at this, guys. This is our window. Next step will be, to prevent unwanted modifications, I will group all those shapes just like that. I will zoom out my document to 75%, and I will bring this window on top of my house. Of course, definitely 100%, I need to scale size of this window down, and I will do it just like that. And now I will reposition it. If you want to have only one window, it's up to you. You can have one window, two windows, 10 windows. It's up to you. I would like to have 2 windows. To do so, right click on your window to select it and click on duplicate. I made mistake. What I will do, just like that, select entire window, right click, copy. Click anywhere in your inside your house and click paste. And voila, here is our window. Just reposition it, your second window, in a way you want. Just like that. Look at this. This is our house. Let me zoom out my document for better preview for you. Now we have house, but this house is floating nowhere. We need to bring in some yard or background or anything we want. What I would like to do, I would like to scroll this library up, and here we have this ellipse tool. I will click on it. Yes, I will change color to black, and I will reposition it. Next step will be to resize this shape, just like that. And now, guys, we have front yard. We detached to the house. Look at this. This is our house with front yard. To prevent unwanted modifications, guys, yes, I will I will group all those shapes together. Now we have this spooky house at night, but our background is white, still is white. What we need to do? We need to bring a little bit more movement to our Instagram post. We need to bring a little bit more spookiness to our composition. To do so, I will click on media icon, just like that. And from here, I will click on videos. In the search area, I will type spooky night, just like that. And look at this. Express displayed all videos based on my search. I know video I would like to use today, this one. I will click on it, and just like that, Express added this video to our design. But Express added it up front of all our shapes. What we will do, we will click on this video layer and we will drag it behind our all layers. We will scale size up for this video, and now, guys, you have freedom. Reposition it in a way you like. What I would like to do, I would like to bring visibility of this beautiful tree, just like that. Maybe part of this tree, yes, and I would like to show this moon as well. Now, if you will enable show layers timing, you will be able to adjust timing for your video, for your Instagram post. Usually, if I'm sharing something like what we are working on right now, guys, I prefer have not more than 15 seconds. It's a maximum. Using timeline at the bottom of your document, you can adjust timing for your post. I prefer to have post not more than 15 seconds. Let's play. And here is our spooky night. Look at this. We created the house, the yard from scratch using only default Express shapes, and also we added this beautiful spooky night using videos from Adobe stock library. The last step for me will be audio. Why not, right? What I will do, I will click on media one more time, and from here I will click on audio. In the search area, I will type Halloween, just like that, and look at this. We have all those audio clips we can use. Look at this, guys. We have spooky haunted house. I will click on it, and voila, here is our audio. When Express adding audio to your document, on the left side of the screen, Express is asking, do you want to add a fading effect to your audio? Yes, absolutely. Yes, I would love to do it. So I will click on out because I would like to fade out my audio clip, and by default Express set fade out to 2 seconds. For me, it works in the best way. If I will click right now, I don't know if you hear this or not. If not, I will show you by the end of the video. This is, and this is our final design. The last step will be click on download, and yes, default file with our composition is MP4. I completely agree. Video resolution, you can change video resolution to anything you like. I will leave it custom as it is, and I will click on download. Now Express will download this composition to my drive, and I will share it with you on my Instagram. So guys, thank you so much. If you have any questions, just ask. I'm here to help. Don't hesitate. I'm always here. Thank you so much. Happy Halloween, and I will see you later. Bye guys.